Welcome everyone to the Art of Crochet project. Today we will be making the linked double crochet. It creates a more tighter woven fabric than the standard double crochet, and it has these neat little horizontal bars across the stitches. So let's begin. We start by making a slip knot, and for this tutorial we will make about 9 chains. And to start the first stitch, we will make 3 more chains, and in the second chain from the hook we will insert our hook. So that's 1, 2, here's our second one, pull a loop through, and then we will skip another chain, and in the next chain we will yarn over and pull through. So now we have the 3 loops. Yarn over, work off 2 at a time. Now I find that turning my project sideways like this helps me to identify my horizontal bar right here. Yarn over, pull through my first loop, and then in the next chain yarn over, pull through my third loop. Then I work off 2 at a time just like normal. Insert in the horizontal bar, yarn over, pull through a loop, then in the next chain yarn over, pull through a loop. Oops, just 2 at a time. Oops. And that is our first row. Now to do the next row, what I find is I chain the 3, and before I actually turn, I insert my hook in the second loop from the hook and grab that loop. Then I turn, and then I insert my hook in the first stitch. So now I have the 3 loops, and I work off 2 at a time. This is an excellent stitch for doing washcloths, dishcloths, hats, blankets, pretty much anything that you would use a normal double crochet stitch for. So I count down 1, 2, pull a loop through, then I turn. Okay, so there you have it, your linked double crochets. And what you will find is that this horizontal bar will alternate rows. So you see it here, but you don't see it on this row, but you'll see it again on that row. Thank you for watching. Remember, you are amazing. And if you like this crochet tutorial, please hit the thumbs up button and subscribe. If you have any questions, feel free to message me. Thank you for watching.